Why didn't the brain want to take a bath?
Because it doesn't want to be brainwashed.
Oh, you're smart. Yes.
Hiya.
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 Hi, how you feeling? How's everybody doing?
We're doing good.
Doing great.
Good.
Good.
Greetings
to see
and
you, girls.
hiya to all the listeners. Thanks so much for coming along with us today.
Yeah, we're excited for today's
be a
topic.
good-
We're going to get smart.
Yeah.
Thank you for your
perfect.
comments that you guys are leaving. We love them. We're seeing them on the shorts, and those are really fun. So keep them up.
Yeah,
They are
thanks.
fun. I am statements.
Okay.
Jen, what's your I am statement?
Mine is I am aging well.
Ooh, I love that. I think that's my favorite.
Yeah.
I'm going to say that
You
to
just
myself.
gotta keep telling
I am
yourself
aging
that.
well. I like
Yeah.
it. I am aging well.
What's yours, Jana?
That's good. What you got? Mine is I'm attracting opportunities that align with my passions and purpose.
Okay. Watch
Ooh,
out.
Very good. Mine is I am energized.
Good.
I am full of energy.
You look like you're full of energy.
As you can
Yeah.
see, I can't
I
stop
can
laughing.
tell.
Bounce-a-roo.
Mine is I'm on cocaine.
Mine is I feel very energetic today. So amazing.
I don't know what that is. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I
Yeah,
have so
sorry.
much information.
Good. We're
I'm like,
excited.
okay, let's do
Lay
it.
it on us.
All right.
Lay it on us. Let's go.
All right.
Yeah, we got a lot to do today.
Yeah.
So what happened was the girls and I were talking about topics, and I said that I thought that it might be interesting to get into mental, some kind of mental acuity or cognitive abilities or intelligence. Like I wanted to dive into that topic, especially since we're aging, and see what it is they're talking about. When I think maybe the last 3 or 4 elections, we've heard about this cognitive
Right.
testing that these presidents go
Yeah.
through. And I started feeling like I want to look into that. I want to see what this cognitive testing is about. And anyway, I asked the girls if I could do a presentation today and test them on their mental
Which we had a
acuity.
little
Yes.
hesitation.
Yeah. Still
We're
a little
not 100.
nervous.
Yeah,
not
we're
gonna
not
lie.
100% on board.
But we're doing it for you people.
Yeah.
It's all for you. It's all for the likes and comments, damn it, and subscribers.
Please be
'Cause we
sure to
love
really,
each other.
yeah,
Yeah.
criticize us. We love that.
Oh, yeah, we love
Yeah.
those. Those are
Already had a
wonderful.
few of those.
So I went to a few websites, one of them being Reader's Digest. They have a 2024 test you can take for a 4th grader. And then I went to
Uh-oh.
I don't know if you should say that. Just kidding.
You mean an 18th grader?
Then I went to a
Oh my God.
profs.com website, which is professors. They had questions that you would make up a 10th grade science test. And then what I thought I would do is then give one of you girls the cognitive test that we've been hearing about for these presidential elections. And then the last thing I just wanted to share some of the websites and some of the quizzing that you can do that will really help to improve your cognitive abilities. Okay.
Okay.
Are
So
we
I'm gonna share
allowed
the
to work
first-
as a team?
Yes, in the beginning,
Okay.
yes. So let's
How
see
about
if
a
I can share the
calculator?
right
Do we
screen.
need a calculator? Just kidding.
No, you don't need a calculator. So can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, again, from Reader's Digest. I'll post all the links down below when we do
Okay.
this podcast, just in case somebody wants to go here. What type of scientist studies all living things? A biologist, a geologist, or a meteorologist?
A.
Yeah, biologist.
Ding, 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 biologist. What is the main purpose of a plant's flower? To soak up water, to produce seeds, or to support the plant?
Produce seeds.
Seeds.
Very good, girls. Getting right through the 4th grade. What is the green pigment in plants that absorbs and converts sunlight into energy? Is it mitochondrion? Is it starch? or chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Very. What is the energy source of the water cycle? Is it the sun, rain, or soil?
Energy source.
What is
of
the energy
water
source of the water cycle? You know the water cycle, right? You know what they're talking about? When water goes from a river to vapor to clouds to rain. It's just the whole cycle of water on the earth.
Is
So
it sun?
what is the
I'll
energy
say
source?
sun.
Sun,
I mean,
yeah.
sun was my
Sun.
first guess, but then I felt like it was tricking me again.
Yeah.
No trick.
Okay.
Just a simple 4th grade question.
Just
Okay.
a simple 4th grader question that I would rather not miss.
What energy needs to be removed from liquid water to change it to a solid? Is it heat, light, or chemical?
From liquid water.
What energy needs to be removed from liquid water to change it to a solid? Is it heat, light, or chemical?
Heat.
Heat.
Heat. Very good, girl. ProProfs.com has a bunch of questions for 10th grade science.
God,
right?
I
So we're
already
going to go
got
to
some
10th grade
in
now.
4th grade.
No, we're good.
God.
We're good. Which gas is needed for photosynthesis? Is it oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, or carbon monoxide?
I'd say B. I don't
B.
know. Carbon dioxide. Yeah.
Carbon dioxide. Very good.
Good job, Jan.
So carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis,
Okay.
right? What is
Sure.
photosynthesis? Do you all know? You know what it is,
Sure.
right? Mm-hmm. Okay. You know what it has to do with? Has to do with carbon dioxide in
Plants.
plants.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
What type of energy is required? This is 10th grade, mind you. What type of energy is required for photosynthesis to happen? Is it light, heat, electrical energy, or sand?
I would
What
say
type
light.
of energy is required?
Light. I would say light too.
Very good. It is light, in fact.
Okay.
What is the waste byproduct of photosynthesis? What is the byproduct of photosynthesis? Is it oxygen, carbon dioxide, glucose, or none of the above?
Oxygen.
Yeah, I think it's oxygen.
It is, right?
Yeah.
That's the whole reason why plants are so important. Okay, earthquakes occur in many regions of the world. Why are there no earthquakes in Florida? Is it because earthquakes cannot occur on a peninsula? Florida is over a hot spot where no earthquakes occur? Is it because earthquakes cannot occur in limestone sedimentary rock? Or is it because there are no tectonic plate boundaries located near Florida?
D. It's D.
It is D, because that's how an earthquake
Yeah.
even
They
happens,
do it
right?
along
Tectonic
those
plates.
faults, right? Like all the
Yeah.
Very good. That's what do you call that? A periodical table.
table.
Do you remember
Yeah.
that from science in high school?
Yeah. It's hydrogen.
What does H represent?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
No,
Very
hydrogen,
good.
yeah.
What does N represent?
Oh, gosh.
Nitrogen.
Very good.
Oh, good. Yes,
is-
I forgot all these. Magnesium.
Magnesium, Mg. What does K represent?
Potassium.
Potassium. Yeah.
Wow, girls, you're good.
Okay.
Okay, so I wanted to go through that because I wanted us all to have an idea of what a 4th grade, and this is all 2024, right? This is all newest knowledge because people will go, they don't learn anything in school, right? So those are pretty, to me, when I was looking at
Those
that,
are
I'm like,
pretty tough. I mean,
Yeah.
they're pretty in
Yeah.
depth, right?
Yeah, I
That's a
thought
pretty
so.
wide range
Yeah.
that they need to know. So here, I'd like to share with you the cognitive test. I need just one of you, though. I can't have both of you, so I just need one of you.
I'll do it. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm in. Whatever.
Do it,
Let's
baby.
do it. I've already been called stupid. So what's another comment? No.
Who called you stupid?
A couple. There's been a couple.
Not you personally.
Oh,
I mean,
Do you mean
like,
do you mean our comments?
I've
mean-
had a few comments.
You mean the nice people?
We all
on,
have.
The nice people on.
Well,
social
not
media?
our followers, because our follower. No, but people like to. It doesn't hurt my feelings.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm fine.
All right,
No.
go ahead.
These
It's
are the
all
people
good.
who haven't, they haven't found the I am statement. Again,
Yeah.
I tell you.
Well,
once you
and they
find
haven't
that,
fallen in love yet with us.
Right. Just
So
give 'em time.
It
Give 'em
takes
time.
sometimes it takes a little time.
Give them time.
it does take time.
That's
Episode 22, we'll get them.
right. Finally hook them in. Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Tish.
All right, here we go. I'm going to share this screen. And Jana, this is a memory test. I'm literally reading the
Oh dear
instructions
God!
this.
If I'd known it was a memory test,
No, come
I
on,
have
be
like
positive,
the worst
Jana.
memory ever.
Jana.
Oh, memory's
Jana.
rough.
I
Okay.
am good with memory exercises.
I am
That's right.
good.
Okay, come on.
I have a good memory.
Okay, we're not talking negative about ourselves. Come on.
No, we're
Okay.
not.
I'm gonna write it
So
down.
I'm just going to read to you exactly word for word this paper
Okay.
because I don't want anybody to think that I'm making this up. This comes
Okay.
straight
got
from NIH, the National Institute of Health, and this
Okay.
is the actual 5-minute cognitive test that they've been talking about for our
Jana,
leaders
stop.
of the U.S.
I'm nervous.
It says, this is a memory test. I will show you some pictures and ask you to identify them one by one. Try your best to remember because I will ask you to recall these pictures several minutes later. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So, number 1, tell me the name of this picture. What is it?
Elephant.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 2 is
On the
on the right
top right.
of
It's
the
a
elephant.
balloon. Okay.
okay. Number 3.
A thumb.
Okay. Number 4.
A canoe.
No, more general.
Oh, like a boat.
More general.
Boat.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Number 5.
A fan.
Number 6.
I think it's a comb.
It is, yes. Number
Okay.
7.
Pear.
Number 8.
Spider.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to rename these pictures, and I'm going to give you the category. Okay. Number
Okay.
1. This is a kind of animal. What is it?
Elephant.
Number 2. This is a toy. What is it?
A balloon.
Okay. Number 3. This is a body part. What is it?
A thumb.
Yeah, there's no tricks here, Jan.
Okay. Well,
Number
I'm like,
4.
is a balloon a toy? Is a balloon
Honey,
a
this is
toy, really?
Yes.
This is a
I don't think
presidential test.
Okay.
There's no tricks.
You're right.
Number 4 is a mode of transportation. What is it?
A boat.
Okay. Number 5 is a domestic appliance. What is it?
Fan. Fan.
Number 6 is a daily commodity. What is it?
It's a comb.
Number 7 is a fruit. What is it?
A pear.
And number 8 is an arthropod.
A
What is it?
spider. It's a spider.
Very good. Okay, we're going to move on. There's six parts to this. So now I'm
I
on
know.
2. It's called language fluency. I'm going to ask you, I have a timer that I'm going to set right here. Name as many vegetables as you can within 1 minute. Go.
Oh my gosh. A carrot, celery, cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes a fruit, I think. Avocado, corn, zucchini, green bean, edamame, asparagus, cabbage, radish, cilantro. Oh my God. Dear God. Trying to think of the salata line. I already said radish. Oh my God. Potato.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. That's
Very
it.
good.
Thank you.
Very
I
good.
appreciate
I
your
don't know if that was
cooperation.
really that
That's
great.
so good.
Okay,
Thanks.
here we go. This is a question, and please answer in order. What is the year, month, and date?
Of today? June.
What is the year, month,
Oh, year.
month, and date.
2024, June 2nd.
Okay, very good. Now, do you have a pen and a paper?
I do.
Can you draw a clock? Put in all the numbers, not the minutes. Put in all the numbers and set the time to 10 past 11. Can you imagine this is the test? From what we just took.
We do this as one of the tests, cognitive tests.
You are not
for
allowed
people.
to talk.
You're not allowed to
You're
talk.
not allowed to talk.
Miss President.
Yeah, I'm talking to Jen.
Sorry.
Obviously,
Okay.
you're going to want to. You're done? Okay, here's the criteria. It says the clock face must be a circle with only minor distortion acceptable. Slight imperfection on closing the circle is acceptable. Would we say that's acceptable,
Yeah.
Jen? Yeah.
Touching.
So we're going to give you a point.
Thanks.
It says all clock numbers must be present with no additional numbers, and the numbers must be in the correct order.
Yes.
There must be two hands jointly indicating the correct time. The hour hand must be clearly shorter than the minute hand. Is that true?
Yep.
And the hand must be centered within the clock face with their junction close to the
Kind
clock
of.
center.
Kind of.
Relative.
I'm going to give you a point.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
I mean,
So I'm going to say you passed that. You scored all 4
Wow.
points. Okay.
Wow. What a feat. Congratulations.
What a feat, right? Now here is the next one. It says, here are 4 arrows pointing at different locations. This is right, this is up, this is left, and this is down. Please put these arrows in numerical order according to the sequence of up, down, left, and right. Up is done for you.
4, 1, 3, 2. Is that what you want?
4, 1, 3, 2. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. Now, I showed you pictures several minutes before when I asked you to remember them.
Yeah.
Tell me as many of those pictures as you can remember right now.
Okay. There was a boat. There was a balloon, an elephant, a fan. Let me see. Elephant, fan, or elephant, balloon. Just because I'm on the spot, I can't remember.
It's okay.
A comb,
Good.
fan.
Good.
I don't know. You asked
Can
me,
you
and
think
they all
of the-
left me.
Can you
Yeah,
think of the
hold on, let me
categories
think
I
about
told
it.
you that they were? Yeah. I told you the category.
I just remember the elephant and the balloon.
Okay. Do you
And I
want me
remember
to give
the
you
fan and the boat and the comb.
the fan, the boat, and the comb? Okay. So I can give you a cue, and you'll get
Okay.
half a point. Here's
Okay.
a cue: an anthropod,
Oh, there was a spider,
a fruit,
pear,
a part of the body.
a thumb. Shit.
Very good. That's okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's the whole test. That's the test that they've been talking about. So, I mean, when I decided to look at cognitive decline, this is an actual test for cognitive decline at our age. This is pretty common from 55 and above, that they look at this. So you scored 5, 13, 18 and a half, right? And anything above 16 and a half is normal. So all of that is
hallelujah.
normal. Right.
Congratulations, Jana.
Thank you.
But
got an A.
I guess what shocked me
I think
was
I need
that
a drink now
that
to celebrate.
compared to what we did in 4th grade and 10th grade, like
I
this
know,
shocks
right?
me that we're okay that this is what they're arguing about.
Yeah.
I would like a leader to even answer the 4th grade questions.
But there's a difference between like knowledge questions and IQ tests. So the last one
Yeah.
was more of an IQ cognitive functioning.
Or, yeah.
That's more of what we're concerned about, but they should be harder IQ tests.
I
Not
think,
knowledge
though,
stuff.
it's looking at memory and association. I think they're looking at how your brain works, not how smart you are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
for
that
sure.
is why it
but
looks
that's
really
basic.
simple.
But it's
is
very
basic.
basic.
But I mean,
It's
but when you
really
have
basic.
a cognitive decline, you can't do that. Like,
True.
it's funny. I've given that test
significant
when I did.
cognitive decline.
Yeah, true. But I've given a cognitive test similar to that when I did home health with adults
Right.
with dementia, and it was very similar to that particular test, but they can't
But
do it.
where's
I mean, they
the
can.
line? Like, are we measuring for dementia? Are we, you know what I
Yeah.
mean?
I
Like, do
think
they
that
have to
is
have
what it's trying
dementia?
to. Yeah.
But that's scary.
Well,
That's what I was
yeah.
what I
Yeah.
started when I looked into it. I was like, wow, I can't believe. For me, it was shocking because I'd never
Yeah.
seen it. So anyway, I thought that was interesting. And
Yeah.
the last thing I just want to do is just because I think this is really fun is I wanted to share. Queendom there's tons of apps out there that you can play games that will actually exercise your muscle, your brain. There's a direct correlation between playing these types of games and performing better on cognitive
Nice.
tests.
Oh.
So that you sort of are working against dementia or cognitive decline, right? These are words. Which one is most closely related to producing or existing in abundance? But they're
Scrambled.
Scrambled.
So you got to do each
I'm just
one.
trying
tell
to
you.
figure out the damn words.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you how long I sat here and I was like, this
Offspring
is what we're very good. The second
Is
one
the
is
second
offspring.
one, and maybe producer would be the third one.
Close.
But
It's reproduce. The third one is reproduce.
Okay.
Do you know what the first one is?
Prolific.
Very good.
Oh, good,
Very
Jan.
good. So we got prolific, offspring, reproduce, and the last one?
Hinder.
Jana, my
She's
God.
really good at these.
It literally took me, I don't even want to say, like I had to look them up and then use this unscramble thing. So yeah, which one of those is closest to producing or existing in abundance? Prolific, offspring, reproduce, or hinder?
Prolific.
Prolific. Very
Yeah.
good. So
I
here's
gotcha.
one.
Oh,
Oil,
like which
off,
they
and
could go-
hand. Yeah. So the word has to be able to relate to all three. So the three words are oil, off, and hand. Is it tropical, glove, palm,
Glove,
or
oil.
tree? Which is the best word that relates to oil, off, and hand? Tropical,
Palm,
glove,
oil.
I would
palm,
say
or
palm.
tree.
Palm.
So you have palm oil. What does palm have to do with off?
Stay off.
Yeah.
So that's not it.
Glove.
Oh, glove takes
So
off, and then a hand. It goes on the hand,
and
and
the
an
glove
oil.
for like the oil that you put on a glove for
Yeah,
like
baseball
baseball
glove.
glove.
Baseball.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
He's tailing me. Yeah. Okay, this one is numbers. So you have to look at
Brain
the.
hurts.
I know. Look at those numbers and see if you can see a pattern, and then tell me which number follows after 35.
9. Okay.
Do you know how these work?
It's
Okay.
48.
Very good. That was quick. What's the pattern you see?
It's adding 2 on in between each. Well, it goes 5, and then it goes 7, 9, 11.
And 13. Right. So 35
Yeah.
plus 13 would be
Yeah.
48. Very good. I was just, when I looked at all that, I was blown away this week. I was like, holy crap. Like, if that's what I'm supposed to know, like mentally at this age and play those games, I was stuck on every single mental game I played. And I'm not
are
exaggerating.
hard.
Every
Yeah.
single game I played, I was stuck.
That doesn't surprise me. That's not what we do all day. If you're doing that type of mental exercises every day, then those would make sense. But everything is hard when you see it for the first time.
I've
True.
also read, too, like to keep your brain young, that you have to keep challenging your brain. So if you start doing the same sort of things, like I'm really good at word scrambles, big deal. It's not, like if I'm really good at it, then I need to find something else that's harder that is making me think. Like my head hurts right now. So, that's the
exactly
stuff.
what I read.
Yes. It is not about, can you do this puzzle? Or are you a good puzzle person or whatever? It's not about a particular task. It's always about challenging your brain.
Then don't do it. Yeah.
That you have to change.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's new tasks.
Yeah. learning something. I do have something I listened to the other day on Diary of a CEO. It's a podcast, and he was talking to a neurophysicist, and she was talking about brain plasticity and how we can still learn things and keep our brain really, really healthy with exercise.
Yeah. Interesting.
So,
and that makes sense because of
right.
oxygen,
And
right?
it's just keeping your brain very healthy. And even if you start exercising later, it's still beneficial. So there's never too late.
It's gotta be.
So you go exercise, then you do your brain quizzes.
Yeah. But thank you, girls, for doing all
Awesome.
that.
That was
Appreciate it.
It's fun.
So we know our golden nugget.
Don't
Wrap it
drink and do these tests. That's what I've learned. No.
Don't do the test on national TV.
Exactly. Don't let other people know how you didn't pass the test.
No, it was good. It's really good information. Though. It makes you think. Like we need to keep going.
Yeah. You know.
All right.
Yeah. And that's it, girls.
All right. Well, sending positive vibes
so
to everybody. Go do some brain activities. Go do a nice walk, and we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Bye.
Right. Sounds great.
Bye. Have a good week.
Bye, girls.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Mwah. Bye.